Steady go. Good morning, everybody! Welcome to our channel ulit at Simply Smith Family. Welcome po ulit. And if you're new to our channel, welcome, welcome. Ako po si Cora at I have two boys, William and Ben. And Daddy is asleep. So yes. What day is it today? It's Wednesday and in England is still sunny and beautiful. O diba? Kaya naman sinusulit namin ang last week of the summer kasi I think officially, syempre after next, ano na ba tayo? 27 of August. So next week guys, sa September na, Berber. So ano na yan, diba? Start na siya na autumn. So start na rin ang school ng mga kids. So, I rushed. Oh my God. Parang sabi ko, ala, next week na pala ang pasukan, eh, wala pang uniform si William. Kasi si William will be going to reception na. So, grabe, magsusuot na siya ng tie, ng ano. Yes! Are you ready, boys?
Ready.
Ready? Good. Ayan. So, today, guys, kasi nusulit namin ang ating summer. We're going to a play date to Tita Shi. Ayan. Nag-invite siya. Sabi magluluto daw siya. So we were excited. Ano kaya ang lulutuin ni Tita Shi? Anyway, at saka ito, sandamakmak na labahan, tupihan, tidying up kasi galing kami holiday last week from North Wales. So if you haven't seen that, meron po tayong mga videos dyan. And ayan, nag-enjoy ang mga kids sa beach, sa seaside. Ayaw nilang umuwi. Alam mo yun, talagang gumugulong sila and they really love outdoor. Kaya ngayon na may araw, sunny siya, we are going out. Okay? Ayan. Child lock na tayo. Naka-child lock na kayo, diba? Alright, ready na daw sila. Ay, naku. Ang postcode. Hindi ko alam ang postcode. Ayan guys, sinaset na natin ang ating sat-nav dahil hindi ko maalala kung saan ba ako liliko. But anyway, guide ko din yan. If you're a mom out there at you're mahilig din sa last minute rush, ay nako, you're not alone kasi ganyan ako kahapon. Pumunta ako sa mga shoppingan at Diyos ko, wala na, out of stock na ang size ni William. So nagpanic ako kasi I thought there would be a lot left. Ala, wala na. 5 to 6 wala na. Eh yung 3 to 4 maliit sa kanya. So na-alarm ako na lesson learned, wag niyo pong antayin na lastminute.com. Kasi paubos na. I can't believe na naubos na ang mga ano natin, ang mga uniforms. Sabi ko, bakit ubos na ang uniform? Saan ba tayo dito? Kaya sabi ko, kaya pala yung mga nanay na, sanay na. Kasi si Ben naman hindi nag-uniform. Si William, polo shirt lang. Pero ngayon, shirt talaga with tie. So, buti na lang, syempre yung area na, yung shop na nagsusupply ng tie nila, it's fine, madaming stock. Pero yung polo shirt na size, hindi polo shirt, yung shirt niya, na pale blue shirt, wala. Kulang na daw, wala na. So, buti na lang si Tomas, may nahanap siya online. Medyo mas mahal na nga. Kasi wala na yung mga bargain eh. Yung parang pack, 5 in a pack, parang ganon. Aba, pa-clap-clap ka pa. Ready? Okay, anak, we're going na. So, yun. Kaya guys, ay nako, think advance for the kids especially. So, yung shoes niya okay naman, yung pantalon niya okay naman. Medyo humaba siya, kaya i-adjust ko na naman sa baba. Tatahiin ko na naman. Aba, buhay nanay, diba? I hope it's not just me. Kasi, syempre, diba, kung every time ko bibili ng pantalon nila, kasya pa naman, i-adjust mo na lang sa baba, diba? Yes! And then, ang assignment namin this week is haircut na lang niya. Kung available si Emily, kasi Emily did their hair, ayan, hopefully ma-book natin this week. Pag hindi, syempre si Mami na ang gagawa ulit. Dito kasi guys, kailangan i-book mo pa. Meron din naman yung turn up, meron din naman. Pero minsan, yung gusto mong tao, hindi available. So, it's talagang, they prefer to be booked. Ayan guys, so, join us at tara na at makipaglaro na tayo with the kids. With Rilo and Nabi, Christian, and baby Ayla. So I said to Ben, come on, we're going to see baby Ayla. Baby Ayla! He was like that. And then Willie was like, come on, let's go. Okay, mommy. Ganon lang siya. Ayan guys, I hope you're all well. At kung saan man kayo sa mundo, I hope you're doing something nice. Kung wala naman at natutulog lang sa bed, well, that's good. Kasi, oh my God, even if you wanted to stay longer in bed, sometimes you're busy with the kids. Once the kids are awake, wala, awake ka na rin. Maski, dalawa lang tulog, 2 hours lang ang tulog mo. So, sila ang boss. They're the alarm clocks. Alright, is it not working again? Oh, did it. Alright, guys. So, enjoy what you do what you love. Because life is too short, diba? Enjoy. Ayan, 18 degrees and it's sunny. Sunny and cloudy daw today, guys. Kaya, we enjoy it. Good morning to Nanay. Morning, Tatay. Tita Alda. Tita Sonia. Tita Mer. Tito Ems. Ate Sia. And everybody who's watching, guys. Sila yung mga avid na watcher namin, especially Nanay. And of course, Tita Tintin, Christine. Ayan. Marin Christine, Mr. Royal Mayor naman, nag-indicate na nun sa ano na ako, di bale. Yeah, so after holiday, syempre pag uwi, ayusin ang mga labada, linisin ang caravan. So ganun guys, busy. Pag mag-holiday ka talaga, pagbalik mo, busy ka kasi magtatambak ang gagawin. Yeah. And then we had a catch up with granddad yesterday, didn't we, boys? So when si Tomas, when he had sleep, kasi after holiday, back to work na siya agad. And then nung nakatulog na siya, sabi niya, okay na ako. I have naka-recharge na ako, managed to recharge. Could you go and see Dad, collect Dad if he's available today? So yeah, so we took Dad to our house. We had a bit of barbecue and we enjoyed it. Of course, the kids enjoyed it kasi they played and played and played. What is it, Anak? Is it not working? Pingo's not working. It's okay if it's not working, anak. It's fine because we're going. Ayan, guys, we're only 6 minutes away. Naku, pasensya na, magulo na naman ang ating camera. Ang dami kasing potholes dito. Kulimlim na maaraw today. O, diba? Sunny and cloudy today. 18 degrees. It's lovely and beautiful. So, hindi alam ni William, I've got some CAKE. Ay, bakit may police dito? Ala, may accident. Oh no, boys, look at that. Oh, you'll see there's mga blue lights dito. May police. Ano kaya ang meron? Oh dear. What's happening here? May hinuli sila. Meron ba? Come on. mga chismosa. Ito ding nasa harap ko na car, nag-slow down para makita din. So, 2 police at merong isang van. So, parang i-detain siguro nila yon. Oh well. At least walang accident. Kagabi daw, si Tomas, he went to do a night shift at, oh my God, sabi niya, it's traffic. And it was like 12:30 midnight. We go, how come that there's traffic? 12:30 midnight. Yung pala may either accident or road, parang maintenance sa roads. Kasi i-close nila yung halimbawa 3 or 4 lanes, gagawin lang 1 lane. para makagawa sila ng trabaho. And ayan, mga bata, they didn't actually have enough breakfast. Parang hindi sila gutom today. So I just binaon ko na. I just brought the breakfast with me. And then they'll just eat and play anyway. Oh yes, I brought a cake for William. Though we celebrated it in Wales, but this time with friends. So ano, magbe-blow siya ng candle. Yeah. Pero sa September pang birthday niya, guys. Pero dahil busy na kami sa September, it will be, ano, parang, it's hard kasi, dito kasi guys, mahirap maghanda. Kasi wala akong kasamang magluto, ganyan. Hindi katulad sa Philippines na you can have handa. Kasi there are people who can help you to cook, ganyan. So, ang handa namin is treat to travels, adventures, yan. We go away. Yan po ang nakaugilian na namin. Kung sinong may birthday, we just go away and have family bonding, and that's our treat for each other's birthday. So, kay William, we've been to Wales. Kay Ben naman, we've been to somewhere Ashbourne. Countryside din siya. Dito sa, saan ba? Derbyshire ata yun. Hindi ko pa na-edit, guys. Sa natambakan ako ng i-edit. Alam nyo naman, busy tayo, pero enjoy lang ang life. That's life. Ay, ganda naman ng, Defender. We're here! Hiya, boys! We're here, Ben! You ready? Good. William? You ready?
Ready.
Good. Let's go! Ayan guys, we're here na. And look at this kid. Say hi guys. This is Christian. This is Nabi.
Okay, let's play squishy.
And there's Ryla. What's that, Nabi? Wow, we're playing here, guys. Ito ang play date nila. Mommy, she is always busy preparing everything. Mga games, mga toys. Ayan, nagkagulo na. While the other two, let's have a look. Where's the other two? Hi, boys! Ayan, busy sila sa kinetic sand. As usual, love nila ang sand. Dahil nga, post-holiday, galing Wales. Kaya ayan, enjoy pa sila sa mga sand. Oh, wow! What are you making, William?
We have different animals now.
Wow!
800 mil.
Ayan.
Sobrahan ako, 100.
Si Rylo nahiya. Ayan, follow the instruction daw.
8 times
Wow.
in 100 ml measuring
Diyos ko, ilang
cup. Okay, 1 packet of calcium lactate.
Okay, Nabi, put it.
instruction.
Nabi, ikaw na. Nabi, sa'yo kasi baka yung isa. Nabi, you have to pour down there.
Open, tita.
Open the map.
There you go. Try nga natin, guys, ito, Magic Water Spirit. Oh, diba? Let's have a look kung DIY magic. Tingnan natin, hatulan natin, guys, if it's good enough for the kids. Oh, if they will love it or enjoy it. I'm sure they will.
Okay.
Ow! Are we gonna mix it, Nabi?
Brown.
We're
You want
mixing
it
it.
brown? You want it brown. Yun lang sabi, Tin. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Hold it
Enjoying, boys?
like this.
What is it?
Nabi. Black for the time.
Ayan. Ayan po si Teacher Shi.
What animals?
One.
Shake. William, got here.
Oo nga, teacher. Ano yan eh?
Okay.
Oh, go!
Squeeze.
Wow naman! Good job! Squeeze!
Squeeze.
Parang naano siya.
Woohoo!
Sarap ng orange, parang royal.
Mabango din ba? Meron ding amoy?
Okay. Can we put some ice on the cut?
Christian,
Can
that's
I
enough.
have the blade?
Hindi.
Yay!
God, and then what's happened?
You need to hold it like this.
Christian, watch auntie. Ooh,
Then, shake, and leave it for 30 minutes, okay?
30 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes,
Oh, you can
tagal naman.
later. You can have another animals.
Wala, tanggal mo pa ako.
Ganun, slowly
It's
lang.
fine.
Okay,
part
shoe.
of it. Is
What
that cool?
what company is this?
Do you like that? Do you
Put
want another
on the
one?
shoe.
Do you want another one?
Hey, let's
Should we
make
get
it
another one?
Let's make
Another
it
one? Yeah. Oh, Stern. It's Rilo Stern.
Christian.
Have you done yours, Christian?
Here, there's a dog here.
Yeah, and there he is. Ah, there he is.
There's a note here.
There he is.
Guys, thank you, Mama.
There you go.
It's okay.
Christian Stern, Nabi. Is it Nabi Stern now? That's it. Squeeze. Well done, Christian. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Put it in the water. Okay, let's put it in the water then.
Go.
Yeah.
What about Nabi? Nabi Stern?
Ang pangit ng brand na nakuha ko ngayon.
Oh,
Last
hindi
time
siya, ano?
maayos eh.
Parang nabasa siguro. Basa mo siya. Eh, hindi kasi na-mix na siya. Pre-mix, di ba?
Wow, Christian! Wow! Hey, what animal is that?
Good job.
A giraffe.
A
Okay.
giraffe?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
slowly.
Slowly. Shake. Just one hand. Shake.
Shake
with
to
the
the
hand.
right.
Shake.
to the left.
You do it, Nabi.
Si William, guys, masaya na siya dyan sa side.
Yung ba?
Ice cream. Is that a pizza one? Pizza cart. Wow, yummy.
Wala, ito basa. Gusto ko mag-try.
Shall we try it? Go on. Do you want another one?
Pizza.
Kapal na pala.
Ay, Christian, you like it? Ganun.
Nagkagulo na, guys. Ayan. Ben, do you want some of these na?
Naging bata.
Brown, yes,
Good
it is a
job.
brown.
Squeeze it.
One for the shoe. What company is this? Nike.
Walang iya.
Pati mga brand talaga.
Promoted pa ang mga ano
Kabisado niya yung mga yan.
Oh, next. Who's next?
What's next?
Is it working, tita?
Shoe for
Wow.
Nabi.
Parang alien naman ang Hello Kitty, Day. Pangit talaga siya. Kahit makapal.
Oh,
kahit
dancing. Whoop, whoop. Whoop,
Parang
whoop.
ano.
Yes. How about
Somebody singing.
Nabi, look. What do you
Listen.
think is this?
Somebody singing.
Snow? Is this a snow? I think this is a coral, not
Do you want
yellow
to squeeze?
for the mouth.
Ben, look.
Yes.
Squeeze.
Okay. Can you shake it?
Cream again.
Can Tita do?
Selling ice cream, Ben. Can I buy some ice cream?
Wow, you see that? Okay, go. Nabi, she's so
Nagkalat na, pero enjoy lang.
That's fine.
black for the shoe. Yes.
Say yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Aba, kumakanta pa ang ating William. Pupunta daw.
Where's my candy gun? Yes. Nice. You can. I understand your English.
Ayan guys, tinan mo, naghanda talaga si Tita Shea. Oh, may fried chicken tayo. And then, what's that, Tita? Ay, wow, parang carbonara na fish. Seafood. Sarap.
Ang sarap, may gata. May gata to.
White cream. Parang ano, diba? Eto guys, surprise ko kay William. Oo.
Sabi ko na,
What are you doing?
Sigma boy. Alam mo yung Sigma boy? Gana Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Ay, no.
Ayan, you have your
Mas malayo pa.
digger, digger, digger. Kapal mo.
Ang puti ko dyan. Maganda ka sa camera. Sino pa manonood?
Ikaw manonood.
Maganda ka sa camera. Yung iba nga, ano to? Tarshare?
Enjoy na enjoy talaga
Tarshare
yung
to?
mga bata.
Tarshare niya.
Ninang.
Right, oo.
Pakainin ng mga yan.
Bumalik siya natulog. Wow. Wow, look at that. What are those? Different animals. Shall we try it? Si Ben, he's happy with his airplane. Ayan. Some more, Nabi. Shall we make some more? Yeah? Wow. Power mo lang, wala.
Wala siyang pa. Hindi ko alam.
Good job. You doing the orange? Well done. Oh wow, William's drinking his chocolate milk. Good job. Si William, umiinom ng gatas niya, oh. Well done, Nabi. That's your crab. And wow, what's that? Finish? Wow. Can you put the two eyes? Wow, and is that your mouth? Wow naman. Oh, squeeze pa more. Did you make that one, Nabi? That's cool.
Can you stop?
Well done.
Go.
Want to make one, Ben or William?
Ben.
Let's
Ben.
Busy. Abang nga din siya.
Ano mo lang gusto niya?
Si Mama Christine, ayan o. Sige, pakainin.
Kasi parang kung makakain sila maayos, baka may sweets lahat.
Oh. Good job. Squeeze, squeeze. Yan. Oh, wow. What's this? Is that a dinosaur? Eat that? No? What about a crab? Can you make a crab, please? No? What about...
No.
There you go. Wow. Sarap naman ni Ben. Oh, gutom. Si Mami Tintin, pinapakain lahat ng mga bata. Sige lang. Oh, wow. Oh, pardon you. Pardon you, William. Do you want some eye? Shall we put an eye? There you go. What is it? What is it? Is that the... What is it? Is it an octopus? Good squeezing. Oh, wow. Cool. Look, I've got a giraffe. Oh, diba? Giraffe yan, guys. Hindi siya masyadong maganda. Oh, that is a... What is this? Snowflakes. Yeah? Wow, Ben's making a dinosaur. Oh. Oh. Put it in the middle, anak. Just a minute, let's wipe it there. Good job. Nako, yan, ang dami na. Yummy! And si Ben kumakain at naglalaro. Pagaw na. Nako, gising na ang Ayla. Oh, where's the other one? There it is. Put it in there. Gentle. Yes. That's it. Dip it in the water. Yeah, I think you just leave it. Wow.
No.
Oh, you want some more, Ben? Aba, naubos ni Ben ang pasta. Tita Shay, he loves it, oh. Want some more? Good job. Yes, please. Do you want some pasta? Yummy, yummy. Do you want cheese? More, please. Please, more, please. Okay, let's go get some more. This one? I put it in the water. Ready? Go. Upside down. Well done. Oh, that's a purple dragonfly. Well done. Yeah. What is it? It's
Ice, mommy.
the ice. Where can we get the ice? This one. Can you use that one? I think that's brown. Oh, can you sit down, William, please? William? Wow, yay. Alright, can you sit down, please? Put your knee down, thank you. What else do you want? Oh, Ben, you here, Ben, here. Okay, you can put your dragonfly in the water now. Yeah?
Okay, mommy.
Go on. Go on then. Put your dragonfly in the water.
Okay, mommy.
Go on then. Are you waiting for Ben to finish? There you go. Oop. Okay, I think they're ready to be scooped. Wow, what's this? It's a... What's that?
Yeah.
Crab. Well done, Ben. What about this one? Which one? Oh, this one. What's this? What is it? Egg.
Very good, it's egg.
That's not an egg. It's a duck. Yeah, Kadiri is like, Kadiri sila. Oo, kay William yan. Yan, there's a duck. That's like a little worm. Oh my god, a wriggly worm. Yucky. What's this?
What's that?
I don't know. It looks like a bird. What's this? I don't know. That looks like a penguin. Oh, wow. Oh, this one. Look, guys. I found a octopus. Octopus. What's this, Nabi?
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Oh, wow. Goldfish daw, oh. Ayan, they're playing harmoniously tong dalawa. Well done, Christian, for sharing. Good boy. Well done, boys, for sharing. Ayan, parating na yung ating isang girl natin kasi puro lahat boys. Nag-iisa lang si Ayla dito. Oh, antayin nyo siya. Hala, hala. Spin around. Oh, careful, please. William, be careful. Gentle, anak. Hey, this is Shen. Hi, Shen. Aba, mahiyain. May friends na tayo. Dumating na sila. Additional playmate. Mga bata kanya-kanyang toy na. Ayan, the boys still happy with the sand. Yeah! Halika na, Shen. Let's sing happy birthday to William Char. Ayan, mag-birthday na siya sa ano. Ready na sila. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, instant ko na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wait a minute. Don't blow yet. Happy birthday to you. Oh, William, blow. Yay! Oh, now, Ben's turn. Oh, not yet. We sing first. We sing first. Happy birthday to you. Oh, wait, Ben's turn. Ben. Yay! Now it's King's turn. You got to wait. You got to wait, boys. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. You mean all right? That's it. Ayan. William, is that nice?
Yun, dalawa lang naman yung papunta dito ngayon eh.
Direct tayo sa kanila.
0 to 5.
Yan, guys.
Pwede pa kami.
Oo ka, kaya nga... Ayan guys, kain na tayo. Alis ka mga
Supportahan natin si Kuya.
Ang mga nanay, gusto. Fried chicken pa talaga eh.
Ano ba gusto ni Rilo?
Bagong gising eh.
Hi, Nabi! Nabi!
Hintayin mo pong kape.
I'll get you... Yeah?
You want? You want to wash your hand? Okay. Wash me your hand.
Tulog na. Ayan, uwian time! Nakatulog ang Ben. Napagod po siya sa kakalaro. Siyempre kami mga nanay din. Nako, dami ding daldalan, chika-chika. Siyempre, dito po sa UK, kailangang may kausap ka, may kachikahan. So, yun. Siyempre, may common denominator. Kami puro mga Filipinos. At ang mga asawa namin ay mga ibang lahi. So, we have common denominator. So, mga anak namin puro mga half-half. May half British, half Zimbabwean, half British. Oh, British pa rin dalawa. Kaya, ayan guys. At music muna ako habang ang mga kids ay settled sa car. So, this is on our way pauwi. Ayan. Buhay abroad guys. So, if you drive, ikaw ang taxi sa mga errands, sa mga anak, mga ganyan. So, yan ang advantage naman pag nagda-drive. At least you can go here, there, everywhere.
Hi babes, hope you and the boys are okay. Do you want to reply?
Nag-enjoy ang mga kids at nag-enjoy din ang mga nanay. Medyo na-stress konti dahil ang mga bata naglalaro, they're happy. And then, the next thing, mag-aaway dahil sa iisang toy. Lalo na po si Ben and Christian. 1 minute they're best friends and then 1 minute they're enemies. Pero, you can't help it. Talagang hindi mo maaalis na yan sa mga bata. They will fight and then they will play. Ayan. Ang importante, they've mingled to each other and then nung nagutom na sila, kumain din naman sila at nag-enjoy lang din. So, kami mga nanay, masaya lang tingnan ng mga bata kasi pasukan na po. Malapit na ang pasukan. So, we won't see each other again as often. So, kami ni Christine at nila Christian, we will see each other sa school. Pero she at Libna, medyo kasi iba yung mga age ng mga anak din nila. So, magkakaiba ng school. So, we won't see them again as often as ngayong bakasyon. So, sinulit na lang namin yung tawa, laro, ganyan. And then, hopefully, we will meet up again about weekends, ganun. Kaso, ang weekend po kasi dito, maglalaba, mag-grocery, food shopping, at kung ano-ano pa, maglinis ng bahay. So, parang ang hirap gawin na. Tapos, may mga work pa, may mga business. So, kanya-kanya po tayo ng mga, ng mga kaik-ikan sa buhay. But it is very important to meet up with friends, talk to them, kasi ang hirap po yung nag-iisa ka, tas ikaw lang sinosolo ang mundo. And then sometimes when you talk to friends, it's just nice kasi you realize, oh hang on, hindi lang pala ako yung may problema, o hindi lang pala ako yung may pinagdadaanan, or masaya pala pag ganyan, masaya. Minsan may nakakainis ka ding friend, pero everything naman hindi pwedeng di ba? Basta surround yourself daw with good people, yung positive people, at i-enjoy lang ang buhay. Ayan po, thank you for watching, and I hope you're all well and stay safe po.
Keep watching. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah.